హలో హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు పర్ణిక మ్యాథ్స్. ఈరోజు మిమ్మల్ని ఒకటి అడగాలనుకుంటున్నానమ్మా. చాలామంది కామెంట్స్లో పెడుతున్నారు. కొందరు ఇంగ్లీష్లో పెట్టమని అడుగుతున్నారు, కొందరు తెలుగులో పెట్టమని అడుగుతున్నారు. అందువల్ల ఈ వీడియోలో నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఒకటి అడుగుతున్నాను. ఈ ఇంగ్లీష్ కావాలా, తెలుగు కావాలా? ఏ ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో చెప్తే మీకు అందరికీ బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. మీరు కానీ కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో పెట్టారనుకో, దేనికి ఎక్కువ కామెంట్స్ వస్తే ఇంకటి నుంచి చేసే వీడియోస్ అన్నీ ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్లో పెడతా. ఇంగ్లీష్లో కావాలంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో పెడతా, తెలుగులో కావాలంటే తెలుగులో పెడతా. ఎక్కువ కామెంట్స్ ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్కి వస్తే ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్లో పెడతాను. కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో ఇవ్వండి మీకు ఏది కావాలో, ఓకేనా? తర్వాత ఈరోజు let us continue that. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.3 fifth problem. See the question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. What they have given ma? Second term and third term. Second term means A2, third term means A3. How can we write this A2? A plus n minus 1 into D, no? Normal formula. In the place of n, 2. A plus n minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. A plus D equals to how much they have given ma? 14. A3. A plus 3 minus 1, 2. A plus 2D equals to how much they have given? 18. Now solve this both. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Plus A minus A cancel. 2 minus D, D. Bigger number symbol, minus. 18 minus 14, 4. Minus minus cancel. Therefore D equals to 4. We got the D value, no? Substitute in this equation 1 or equation 2. You can solve in any of the equation. I am taking for easier thing equation 1. A plus D equals to 14. Substitute here. A plus D equals to 4, no? That equals to 14. A equals to 14. If I send plus 4 to that side, minus 4. Therefore A equals to how much ma? 10. We have got A value, D value. What they ask to find the sum of first 51 terms. Means what is the n equals to 51. We know the Sn formula. Now what is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. In this substitute all the values. S51 equals to 51 by 2 into 2 A value 10 plus 51 minus 1 how much? 50 into D value 4. Now solve this. 51 by 2 into 2 times 20 plus 5 4s 20 0. Add it both. 51 by 2 into 220, no? Now cancel with 2. 2 1s 2 1s 0s. So what we got? 51 into 110. Multiply this. 110 into 51. 5 0s 0. 5 1s 5. 5 1s 5. 5610. Therefore S51 equals to 5610. That's all. Problem is over. Did you understand now what we have done? They have given the A2 and A3. We have solved it. We got D value. This value I substituted in equation with. So equation 1. So I got the A value. AD values are there and they ask you to find the sum of first 51 terms. So N is also there. So by substituting in the formula I got S51 equals to 5610. That's all. Problem is over. Shall we go to sixth one then? See the question. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, what they have given? S7 equals to 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. S17 equals to how much ma? 289. Find the sum of first n terms. We have to find the sum of first n terms. See here S7. Normally what is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. In this substitute S7 in the place of n. Substitute 7. S7 equals to 7 by 2 into 2A plus here 7 minus 1 60 equals to what is the S7 value ma? 49. I am sending 7 by 2 to that side. What it will become? 2A plus 60 equals to 49. If I send 7 by 2 to this side, it becomes 2 by 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Therefore, what is the equation? 2a plus 60 equals to 7 twos are 14. Let it be equation 1. Now substitute in the same way for S17. S17 equals to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 ma 16d equals to how much they have given? 289. Now 2a plus 16d equals to 289 into 17 by 2. If I send to that side, 2 by 17. Now cancel with 17. 17 ones are 17. How much remaining? 11. 119 means where we'll get, I think 7. Check it once. 17 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. 7 1 7 8 9 10 11. Yeah, 119 where we'll get 7s. Therefore, what is the equation now? 2a plus 16d equals to 17 2s are 34. No, 7 2s are 14. Yeah, 34. Let it be equation 2. Let us solve this equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 2 implies, what is equation 2 ma? 2a plus 16d equals to 34. Now what is equation 1 implies? Write this equation like that only. 2a plus 60 equals to 14. Now solve this. For solving, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Plus 2a minus 2a cancel. 16 minus 6, 10. 10d equals to 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, d equals to 20 by 10. Therefore, how much will get d value? 2. This 2 you substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. I am substituting in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1, d equals to 2. Substitute here, what is the equation? 2a plus 60 equals to 14. Equals to 14. Substitute in this. 2a plus 6 into d value 2 equals to 14. 2a equals to 14. 6 2s are 12. If I send this side, minus 12. 2a equals to 14 minus 12, 2. Therefore, a equals to 2 to cancel. A equals to 1. We got AD value now. What they ask you to find? Sum of first n terms means Sn. Sn equals to, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this substitute the values. N by 2 into 2a, a value is 1, plus n minus 1 into d, d value is 2. Solve it ma. N by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus multiply with this 2n minus 2. Here see, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Now what we got? N by 2 into 2n. Here see, 2 ones are 2 ones are. What we got? N into n. Therefore, Sn equals to n into n, how much ma? N square. That's all. Problem is over. Did you understand now what we have given? What they have given? S7 and S17. We know the formula now. I substituted S7 and S17. I got two equations. By solving that two equations, I got d value. This d value I substituted in equation 1. So that I got a value. After that, AD values I know no. They ask you to find the sum of first n terms. By substituting in the formula, I got Sn equals to n square. That's all. Problem is over. Did you understand ma? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.